air fry eggs. I wanted to show you 3 magical ways to cook eggs in the air fryer. These are the egg recipes that you should turn to first when you're an air fry beginner and you're looking for new ways to use your latest kitchen gadget. We'll be showing you how to cook hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, and my favourite breakfast of all time, air fryer egg cups. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. Let's start with air fryer soft boiled eggs. One of my favourite quick breakfasts in the air fryer because there's no prep, is there? You simply grab in some of your favourite eggs. They can be small, medium, large, extra large, duck eggs or whatever, and you throw in them, placing them because you don't want to crack them, into the air fryer basket, and then you can take your shower and then come back. And then, of course, when you come back, you will have perfectly cooked, soft-boiled, dippy eggs that are just waiting to have toast, or if you're low-carb, cucumber soldiers, or you could do zucchini soldiers. The choice is yours. They're just fantastic. And then simply load them into your favourite egg cups, and they're ready for cracking. Of course, the easiest thing to do is to crack them with a spoon because it's easier to pull them off compared to a knife, and you can use the spoon to really get in there and get the tops off them like I'm demonstrating now. It was the husband that taught me how to do that. He's the chef, so he knows what he's doing, and he probably does the top of them better than me. And then, of course, the dunking trick, and you can see if they're ready and enjoy. Obviously, a bit of salt because eggs can be terrible without salt. And then you have breakfast. Air fryer egg cups is my second favourite breakfast. And it's simply a case of making mini omelettes for the air fryer, you would say. You crack some eggs into a jug. I normally do 3 for breakfast because my kids are always pinching them. Add in eggs and stir like you are making the filling for a quiche. And then you can season your egg mixture if you want, or just keep it plain. It's totally up to you. I normally add enough milk until it kind of has that pale glow to the egg mixture. And I don't like just to use egg because it doesn't have that creamy quiche taste. You can also use fromage frais and other alternatives to milk. So then I add onions, tomatoes and cheese to my egg cups, and then the idea is that after this you're pouring over your egg mixture and it's like a crustless quiche, and it's fantastic for breakfast. But you can also make them for picnics, potlucks, brunch, evening snack when you're feeling peckish, or make ahead and then store them in the fridge. They've just got one of those lots of uses kind of recipes that just suit so many different things. And then once you've made them, obviously in silicone cups, because silicone cups are so easy to wash. And then be careful as you place them in the air fryer because they can be a bit flimsy. And then once you've made them, air fried and served, and they're absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at how easy that silicone is to clean. They're just a dream come true. They really are. And then third on the list, and the final one, is air fryer hard-boiled eggs. Of course, all these recipe links are in the video description so you can get cooking times, temps, and get the recipes in full. And with hard-boiled eggs, it's just like doing soft, but you're cooking them for longer. You are going for eggs that are going to be really easy to peel. We don't need no ice bath, just a quick rinse under the tap so that they're cool enough for you to peel without burning your fingers. But apart from that, it's easy. And of course, the husband, who is amazing at cooking and is ex-chef, taught me how to cook eggs and peel them without ever needing a water bath. And look at how good that egg looked. They're just absolutely fantastic. And because eggs are cooking on a low temperature in the air fryer, they peel much better. So to peel eggs, you crack both ends and give it a rub against the worktop, and they just come off perfectly. I cannot fault air fryer hard-boiled eggs at all. They're a totally easy beginner recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.